Hi there! Today I'm going to show you how to do a catwalk on a high heels. So let's start with the posture. Don't get hunched over. Straight posture is our everything for revealing our inner model. Secondly, don't move your hands too much, but also if you don't move them at all, it's gonna look weird. So move them really naturally. Also, a common mistakes of many models, one hand is moving more and one is not moving at all. So pay attention on this one. Thirdly, at the head. You can chin down for more aggressive look, and yeah, like that. And you can chin up for more confident and arrogant look. Just don't pull your chin in. Then again, straight posture is our everything, and try to pull your hips a little bit forward. And do a step from your hip, like someone is pulling you around the waist. Maybe a little bit strange, but that's how model do that. Now let's learn how to do a wide step. Try to practice at home, wide step. Not a tiny like that, like we are doing in our real life, but really wide one. Yeah, like this. Then draw a straight line on the floor and do not put your legs like that, it's too relaxed. No, we imagine very straight line and putting our legs on that straight line. Now let's sum up and put everything together, and don't forget to add speed to your walking. So this catwalk is suitable for mostly every designer. I'm having a bit aggressive look and I'm working fast, so it's going to be suitable for, I don't know, Balenciaga, for example. The second catwalk is going to be more elegant. I'm chinning up a little bit and I'm slowing myself. So it's suitable for long dress, for example, with a trail. I don't want to step on the trail. Or for some suit, I don't know. So for more elegant designer, I would walk like that. Sometimes you can put your hands on the waistline or in the pockets, why not? But yeah, don't pose at the end. Nowadays, not a lot of designers want that. And this is again very fast walking and with the chin up, so it's looking very confident, a bit I don't know, arrogant, as I said before, and it's also suitable for I think everyone nowadays. Thank you so much for watching.